So I'm out on the dock now, and oh man, look at this. This is just unbelievable. I'm going to zoom back out. And sorry, I'm making you sick. And over on the far shore to the south is the sanctuary. It's a gated community off of Cimarron. And then we're looking back to the house. And here's the bulkhead and the neighboring land. Trees are terrific.